no contest, but maintaining his innocence.
The man accused of killing a Strongsville teacher changed his plea today, just as his trial was getting started.
For those who interpret a no contest plea as a guilty plea,
a no contest plea is absolutely not a guilty plea. He in no way admitted his guilt.
21-year-old Jeffrey Scullin now waiting to be sentenced for the murder of his future mother-in-law, Melinda Pleskovic. Begs the question, why change his plea? Tara Molina in court today, digging into this and explaining what's next. Tara.
Well, Frank, many left scratching their heads today since Scullin is maintaining his innocence, claiming he did not murder Melinda Pleskovic, but changing his plea, eliminating the need for a trial. It means he could be looking at 36 years for a crime he says he didn't commit.
The murder of beloved sixth grade teacher, 49-year-old Melinda Pleskovic, rocked the Strongsville community, followed by the aftershock of the case's horrifying details.
How do you plead to count one?
21-year-old Jeffrey Scullin, arrested and charged on Halloween of 2017, accused of shooting and stabbing his mother-in-law-to-be, the grandmother of his daughter, inside the Strongsville home she shared with him. Then going to dinner with her husband at the Applebee's where her daughter worked, and dialing 911 when they returned to the house. Investigators found a large tactical knife with Pleskovic's blood on it, Scullin's DNA on the handle, in the back of his truck. Pleskovic was stabbed more than 35 times, shot 3. Her granddaughter, Scullin's 1-year-old daughter, reportedly in the home at the time, as well as Pleskovic's nonverbal teenage son.
The maximum penalties that may be imposed.
Scullin originally pled not guilty, then changed his plea to no contest to all charges today, right as jury selection was about to begin, and after a judge denied a motion to suppress evidence.
There was overwhelming evidence within this case, and Mr. Scullin and his attorney were aware of that evidence, and I think he anticipated that the state was going to prevail at trial, and that led him to his plea of no contest.
But his attorney sings another tune. Despite the mounting evidence against him, Scullin maintains his innocence, even after changing his plea, eliminating the need for a trial. Yes, Jeffrey Scullin is claiming he's innocent, while looking at a possible life sentence and no chance of parole for 28 to 36 years.
And he's willing to do that, not to make the family suffer.
Confusing? I thought so too.
So he maintains that he's innocent, but he's willing to serve time for the sake of the family?
Well, yes. There's a lot of very sensitive material that would be coming out at trial, a lot of material that could be embarrassing to multiple people, not just my client. He does have a young child with obviously the victim's family, and he's not interested in inflicting pain when he believes that he has solid legal issues that will eventually clear him.
Those legal issues? Unclear. His attorney said they'll bring them to the Court of Appeals. Scullin's sentencing is scheduled for October 29th. A motive hasn't been released. It wasn't discussed today, but it's expected to come up at his sentencing. Reporting live in the Tech Center, Tara Molina, News 5.